Hi students, welcome to our week 1 introduction video. Now you might ask, how is this class is going to work? How does I am going to give you lectures? What about the tutorials? How are we going to do this module, and how are we going to make this module work? Now, with every week 1, week 2, 3 until week 14, I'm going to give a short introduction video just like this one, and then in this short video I will give some instruction of what this week is all about. Okay, for example, this week we are going to learn, if you go to your times, we're going to learn about lecture 1, right? Lecture 1, computing and tutorial questions, calibration, hypothesis testing, and distribution test. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn this week, right? So let's go and visit our times page. Now, this is our times page for computing application for engineers, and I will have my new announcement there. And also the previous announcement, I will leave this on here because this is our general announcement for the for this semester, because still we are in online, more let's say online methods, so this still need to be here until further notice. Okay, so we are currently planning to have 5 online lectures up until the month of June, right? That is week 8. Week 7 is when this the Hari Raya holiday, so week 8 you will be back on campus, and then I will explain to you how the test is going to be. For the time being, the test is planned to be online based, even though we are already back in campus, but I will update you on further notice regarding our test. Now, what you need in this week 1 is a few things. So this is the times lecture 1, as you can see there, lecture 1, computing and tutorial questions, calibration, hypothesis testing, and distribution test. When you click on it, it will go to my PDF file of my lecture. Right, that's quite long. You can read it and have a look at it. Basically, it will just give you what is it the lecture is all about. What is measurement and modern, right? And what is calibration, when to calibrate, so on and so forth, right? Usually in my lecture, I will have the questions of the tutorial at the end of the slide. So if you can scroll to the end, there will be a question there. Usually I will discuss this question, of course, in class, but since this is not our class and our class is done online, so what you need is, other than that, right, is the YouTube videos that come with it. So inside lecture 1, computing and tutorial questions, calibration, hypothesis testing, and distribution test, you are going to use 4 types of video, right? So I will post the links of these 4 videos. The first one, ZAC distribution lecture notes video. Number 2, ZAC distribution question and answer video. Number 3, T distribution lecture video. And number 4, T distribution question and answer video. Okay, so these are the lecture notes, similar to one that I have shown you just now, the lecture 1, computing and tutorial questions, calibration, hypothesis testing, and distribution test. I break it down into 4 different videos that talk about lecture notes as well as the tutorial question, right? For example, the first one, ZAC distribution lecture notes and videos, is the question. Number 2, ZAC distribution question and answer videos, is the tutorial questions and answers related to it. As well goes to number 3, T distribution lecture video, and number 4 is the tutorial question for T distribution. Watch these 4 videos for this week. Right? Okay. Now, these 4 videos together with lecture 1 is what you are going to study this week. Now, apart from this, I will also have a Zoom meeting. Maybe 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. We will discuss on our concern, and maybe I will just give some synopsis or some quick look on what is week 1 is all about. So I'm going to open the week 1 lecture there, right? I'm going to discuss, maybe not slide by slide because this is a lecture. I've already put the video lectures and tutorials video online, right, on times. So we are going to go bit by bit, and then I will just express what is important in this week 1 lecture to 1, and what are the 2 statistical analysis that is involved in this section, right? So please join my Zoom meeting because I will do this every week from week 1, and I'm setting this week until week 10, right? From week 1 until week 10. I will do this every week. Please come by, download Zoom and use the link available that will be posted on times later. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in Zoom meeting. Please come. It is important because we're not going to see each other in the first 5-6 weeks, right, until June. So do come so we can see face to face, and we can discuss more, and I can give you some summary of what this week is all about. Okay, all right, I'll be seeing you then.